Now, as I mentioned before, there is the entry key. See the word entry down here, and answer, ANS. These are both very useful, where if you do something in the calculation you just found, you need to use again. So let's say that we had, like 5 to the third power, and I found that's 125, and now I need to divide that by 6. Instead of having to type 125 divided by 6, what I can do is just come down and choose the answer key. So down here, ANS, I push second, ANS. Now that word answer comes in, and that's actually taking the place of, it really just means 125. So if I do that divided by 6, this will give me 125 divided by 6. We'll prove that right here by typing it all in. There we go. So the answer key just says, hey, whatever that last answer was, just use it now so I don't have to type it in. This can be really useful, especially in things like chemistry and physics, but also just in any of your math courses as well. The entry key, as seen to the bottom right, is right above the enter key. And what that is we don't want to see what the answer was per se, but we want to retype it all in. So if I push second entry, what it does is it brought back what I typed last time. Not what the answer was, but what I typed. And so sometimes you might need to do, okay, well I did 6, maybe I need to try 7. So instead of having to retype a whole thing, we can second entry, and I'll just change that last one, 8. Let's say we were testing to try to find something. This will save some time by using the entry key. So those are two convenient keys, the entry and the answer key. That can be used anywhere, like for instance, the answer key can be used anywhere in the problem. So let's say my math problem asked me to do, 3 plus 5 times my answer. I could do that, and then second answer, and it's going to put the 15 in to where it'll then be 3 plus 5 times, and then our answer will use the 15.625, and let's verify that. 3 plus 5 times 15.625. See, it just used it automatically for us. So that can be very useful depending on what you are doing.